what surah do you have do sujood straight away? See, all the surahs, there are 14 sajdas are there. There are 14 sajdas mentioned in different part of the Quran. And if you read the Quran and ayah comes and you want to perform the sajda, so the first ruling is it is not, you don't have to. You have said, what surah do you have to do sajda straight away? You don't have to. This is the first, because I'm talking about the correct understanding of the word have to. Have to means you must. But in Islam, the ruling on sajda of tilawa has nothing like, have to. It's a non-obligatory act, which means you come to the surah and you read the ayah and you want to do the sajda. And what is the dalil for that? Because I always like to give you the dalil. And mashallah, you have to follow the dalil, not me. There's a hadith in Sahih Bukhari. Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anh, one of the great Sahabi and the second Khalifa of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jamaat Muslim Ummah. He was delivering the Jummah khutbah, and while he was delivering the Jummah khutbah, he read a verse which has got sajda in that. He did the sajda. He performed the sajda. He got down from the pulpit, member, and he did the sajda. And then he continued afterwards with his khutbah. The next Jummah he came again on the member. He read the same surah and came up across the same ayah. But he didn't do the sajda. To tell the people that it is left to you. It's not compulsory. You don't have to. So you can do the sajda if you want. And you can just go on and continue with the ayat. Inshallah.